someday, in the not-so-distant future, it happens. The moment you realize you're ready for anything. Get a degree in emergency management from Jacksonville State University and be ready for where you're going.
This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, May 23rd. I'm James Spann, getting set for a long holiday weekend. Afternoons will stay hot. Storms should be widely separated. Let's go in there and take a look at the big picture this morning. It's a high amplitude pattern. We get this large upper low over the southwest United States and a 588 ridge here across the deep south. And, of course, we'll stay under the ridge for a while. This pattern is kind of blocked up, so no big changes through the weekend. Severe weather possibilities today, a couple of small slight risks, one to the east, one well to the west. And then tomorrow, a slight risk of severe weather over parts of West Texas. And again, they could use that rain. This is a very beneficial rain setup for our friends out there. And we note we have the low-end 5% severe weather possibilities across our part of the country, here in north central Alabama tomorrow, meaning the storms that do fire tomorrow afternoon could be rather strong, but they'll be very widely spaced. And really the same thing on day 3. This is the risk on Sunday. So during the peak of the daytime heating process, we'll be watching the radar, and you could see a few storms around. Not many, but a few, but where they do form, they could pack a punch. This is the rain for the next 5 days, and you could see not much at all. This is suggesting most of Alabama will not see enough rain to measure. And again, that is a very impressive rain event for drought-stricken areas of Texas and Oklahoma. I mean, this is just what the doctor ordered for our friends out there. Take a look at modeling. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is the OZ run, valid today at 1 o'clock Central Time. And you can see the upper high is moved down to Tampa, big upper low to the west of Phoenix. And down below that, the sensible weather won't change much today. We got that weak boundary north of us, but we think we'll be capped off. The sky should be mostly sunny, and both models are printing a high today of 90. Really the same thing tomorrow. The front sags a little farther to the south. And let's go to the high-res NAM. This is tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock. And you can see evidence of widely scattered storms ahead of that weak frontal boundary. Most people will not get wet, but there could be a few storms out there. And again, the instability values will be way up there with a high close to 90. So, there could be some thunder, lightning, maybe gusty winds, maybe a touch of small hail with this. But remember, only a fraction of the countryside will probably see rain, but just be aware if you got something planned outdoors, the potential is there for these isolated or widely scattered storms. And really the same thing on Sunday. The front is stalled out over North Alabama. And we do note the high-resolution NAM tries to bring in a little batch of storms over the northern third of the state Sunday morning. This is Sunday morning at 7 a.m., and then this is Sunday at 1 p.m., still showing some showers over East Alabama. So if that trend keeps up, we might have to hit the chance of scattered storms a little harder Sunday. But again, the key word is scattered. Not everybody's going to get wet. We'll probably see highs in the upper 80s on Sunday with a mix of sun and clouds. We'll go to Monday. Seems like that front kind of drifts north of us. Looks like it'll be a mostly dry day, the high around 90. Same thing on Tuesday, that looks mostly dry. And then Wednesday, the ridge weakens a little bit. We'll see scattered afternoon showers and storms again. Pretty much the same deal on Thursday. It'd be a case where, your chance of getting wet would be about 1 in 3. Highs will come back down toward the mid-80s here. And this is a week from today. I got a strong upper high over the middle of the nation, around Omaha and Des Moines. Got troughing on the East Coast, and down below that, for us, it looks like the air should be a little drier. Got there a few more days. This is June 2nd. A little surface low off the Carolina coast. That would be kind of a hybrid, not a true tropical system. The end of the forecast on June the 7th. Little energy west of here, suggesting warm and showery weather, if that happens to be correct. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.